God dang it. What's up everybody? I'm sorry I've been away. It's been a while since I've made a video. I actually ended up getting a kayak and wanted to try some things. I tried a spot out at a buddy of mine told me the following week of a pond that I should be able to catch some fish out of, and it was pretty nice. Back out here with my buddy Mondo. He's up there on the bank. We're gonna get out here, hopefully catch some fish. I got a few things tied on, we'll see how this goes. Just pulled this up. Of course, that would happen. Should have put the tensioner better. God dang it. Did you see that? Scared the shit out of me. If bass jumped over the kayak. I can't catch them, but they can jump out of the water. Come on. I've never seen that before.
Oh, you almost had it. You gotta be quicker than that.
That's ridiculous. Oh. Oh, I got one. Huh. Golly. First kayak fish. I thought I lost him. Teeth are sharp, man. Ha! There you go. I didn't think I was gonna be able to get him back. He swallowed that one good. He made it. All right, very first fish in the kayak. See if we can throw in there again. Got another one. There we go. Just a little guy. All right. Yep. Seems like they're hiding back here in the shade. See you later. Awesome. Well, I can say so far having the kayak definitely helps out getting me into a spot that I normally wouldn't be able to get to. I just need to be able to learn how to maneuver everything. The other one was caught over here. That one was caught deep back there. Good luck, buddy. Huh? There's a little one, you said? Don't hurt. Oh yeah. Look at Mondo.
I think those wheels would be pretty good investment. Yeah,
You guys wanted me to give you a tour of this? Now's not the time. Over here. Thank God Mondo's here. We hit 500 subscribers and I was thinking about what I can give to you guys. Nowhere in my videos do I ever tell you that I'm gonna do a giveaway. I don't like telling you to subscribe so that way I can give away something. I just like for it to be random, and that way nobody expects it. It just happens. So I decided that I would give you guys a reel and something that I actually use. I use Lose. That's my favorite brand to use. I like them. They're smooth and they've worked for me. They haven't failed me yet. So of course, I spin on the left side. If you've seen any of my videos, I know a lot of you guys spin on the right, so I got you guys a brand new right. And this is a little bit better gear ratio, a 7:1 So rules are real simple, very easy. You have to follow me on Instagram. Make sure you tag one friend, like and subscribe to this video. And whenever I do a random comment generator or random pick, I'm gonna click on your name, guys, and if I can't see that you're subscribed to me, I'm just gonna pick on to the next person. So if you have it blocked, you may want to check, because it could be you that wins. And if you just so happen to not be following, or I can't tell that you're a subscriber, I'm gonna pick the next person. So that's just the way it goes. So you guys let me know down in the comments below, have you ever seen anything like that? You ever seen a fish jump over a kayak? Do you have any stories like that, or something crazy's happened? Share them with me and let me know. I'd love to hear them. I read all the comments. Until next week, guys, keep casting.